3 best foods for keto diets. Keto diets are known for being high in fat and low in carbohydrates. This means that you can eat steak and bacon while sticking to your diet. Beyond the regular fatty foods like meat and poultry, there are 3 individual foods that you want to buy if you're going to start a keto diet. These foods will help bust your cravings for carbohydrates and can be used in a variety of ways. Without further ado, I'm going to tell you about the 3 best foods for keto diets. 1. Cauliflower. Easily one of the best foods to add to your keto diet is cauliflower. I know cauliflower is not the most exotic or exciting food, but you'll be wise to add it to your pantry if you're eating keto. Cauliflower can be eaten in various ways, some of which mimic favorite carbohydrates like rice or mashed potatoes. You can steam the cauliflower like broccoli and pour cheese over them, making them a deliciously cheesy vegetable side to add for dinner. You can even rice and mash the cauliflower. All you need to do is cut the cauliflower correctly and season it. Then you have keto-friendly rice or mashed potatoes. As a result, cauliflower is a great vegetable to add to your pantry since it can be a low-carbohydrate substitute for rice and mashed potatoes. 2. Cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Cheese is a great way to add texture and flavor to anything that you're eating. You can eat cheese by itself, or you can pour it over vegetables. All the while, they are low in carbs and high in fat. In fact, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese offers only 1 gram of carbs, but 6.5 grams of protein and a lot of calcium. Although cheese is high in saturated fats, no studies show that it increases heart disease risk. Additionally, cheese contains linoleic acid, which is linked to fat loss and body composition improvements. Luckily, there are a variety of cheeses that you can choose from when you're on a keto diet. Here's a list of some of the keto cheeses to eat: blue cheese, brie, cheddar, Colby Jack, cottage cheese, cream cheese, feta, goat cheese, Havarti, mascarpone, mozzarella, Munster, Parmesan, pepper jack, provolone, string cheese, and Swiss. 3. Avocado. One of the best foods to have in your keto arsenal is the avocado. Avocados are very healthy and only contain about 9 grams of carbs per half an avocado. However, 7 of these grams are fiber, so they only have a net carb count of 2 grams. At the same time, avocados offer many vitamins and minerals that are necessary for a functioning body. They also have high amount of potassium, which is helpful for a beginner keto follower. Beyond the general health benefits of avocados, they also can be used in a variety of ways. Pair them with seasoning and seeds for a nice savory taste. You can also add them to dessert recipes for a vegan keto option. They create a nice, rich texture that is to die for. Final thoughts? Whether you're just starting out with a keto diet or have been a keto dieter for a long time, add cauliflower, cheese, and avocado to your next grocery list. All these foods are keto-friendly and will leave you feeling full and satisfied.